Hello everyone, in this video we are going to see about the number system, problems in number system, and this is the question in the GATE exams, asked in the GATE exam. So, here given an addition for sum here, one is in 2 base, other is in the 16 base, and the answer is in the 8 base. So, what is the shortcut method to do this? Don't need to go for decimal calculation and then we have to find out the equivalent of a octal, and it will be a tedious process to convert this. So, we all know that octal numbers are groups of binary numbers in 3 and hexadecimals are group of 4 in the binary numbers in 4. Okay. So, here, so what you have to do first, you have to convert this into, because our answer is going to be in the octal value. So, better convert the given answer into the octal, both the input as the octal values. So, how to convert into the octal values? So, always you have to group this number into group of 3 in order to convert into octal, and you always should start from the LSB. This is the LSB. So, start from this LSB, you have to just to group the numbers into 3. So, this is the way we have to group the numbers into 3, and here we have to group from here, this is actually 3. Okay. So, now always better to have this table, because when you are going to do the sum faster, when you start the start answering, just you write this table nearby so that we can be easy to follow the numbers. Otherwise, if you know by heart also is not an issue, but always better have some type of this work, just write the values of this binary values of this number, keep it in the corner so that it is easy for you to immediately copy and do the sum faster, because time is more important while solving the problems in the NET examination. Okay. So, now I grouped into 3 and again, so we have to write the values, and it gets actually 104. When we are thorough with these numbers, no need to go to the table, but those who are not thorough with this calculation, we are just better have a table in the side for reference. So, how to form this table? Just to make 1, 2, 4, 8 powers of 2, and then alternate the zeros and ones you put in the first column, and alternate 2 zeros, 2 ones in the second column, and alternate 4 zeros and 4 ones in the third column, and alternate 8 zeros and 8 ones in the fourth column. So, it's a shortcut just to make the things faster. Okay. So, now let us group the values here. So, how to group the values? This is actually 100 is actually 4 in octal, and this is actually 6 in octal, and this is 0 1 is 3 in octal, and again 0 1 1 is 3 in octal, and you have to, in order to find the other side, what you have to do is you have to find from the so this is from this direction you have to find. Okay. And here this will go from this direction. Actually 110 is 6. So, this is the value you have found out, and this is to the base, actually to the base 8. So, we have converted one number to the base 8. So, then coming to this part, how to do is actually we have to first write the binary equivalent of this number. So, how to write the binary equivalent of this number? This is an hexadecimal number, which is the base is 16. So, for each number you have to give 4 binary digits, and again you have to start from this direction, and this is in the other direction. Okay. So, now start from this 1, you write value for 1 is actually 0 0 0 1. So, this is the value for 1. So, you have to write this value as 0 0 0 1. So, this is the 1 value, and then my E is actually 14. So, actually E 14 is actually 1 1 1 0, that is the E value, and what is A is actually A is 10. So, 10 is actually 1 0 1 0. So, you have written the decimal binary values for this hexa number, and to the right side also you have to write for E is again 14, for 14 is 1 1 1 and 0, and for 15 is 1 1 1 1. So, this is the binary equivalent of this given hexadecimal number. So, because I am converting this, it is easy to convert the same into the octal number. Again, since now it has come to the, now we have changed to the hexadecimal number to the binary number, again we have to group in terms of 3 to get the octal number. So, how to get how to make the group? Again we have to use this from the LSB. We have to start from here, this is one group, and this is the other group, and this is the other group, and here this is one group, and this is, so I have to group into 3 in this direction. Okay. So, this is the direction for this number. So, starting this number, this is actually you have to start from here, this is 1, and 100 is actually 4, and 011 is actually 3, and 101 is actually 5. So, we have converted the number into the this is an octal number, and we make sure that the numbers are always between 0 and 7. So we will not get a number more than 7. So be careful about while doing any conversion or calculation. So again, now this 1 is actually 7, and then 0 1 is 3, and again since we have to add a 0 and you have to complete this group. So this is actually 6. So you have to put the value as 6. So we have just converted this number also into an octal number. Now the part is you have to add these numbers. So we have to bring this number in so that we can add the number over here. Okay, just you have to bring the number and we will add this. So just what is the number here? 4 6 3 3 and dot 6. Remaining are 0 over here. So now when you are going to add this number, so how to add the number? We have to do the normal addition, but always sure that we are adding an octal number. So when you are adding a 2 octal number till the sum is 7, that is not an issue. After that we have to make the conversion. So here 6 plus 0 is 6, not a problem. 3 plus 0 is again 3, no issues, and 7 plus 6 is 13. There is no 13 in the octal number. So we have to convert this 13 into one correct octal number dividing by 8. So 8, actually 8 ones are 8, remaining is 5. So you have to put the remainder 5 over here, and you have to add this number 1 over. This is the carry actually. Okay, so you have to add this number 3 1 1. 3 1 plus 1, this is actually 5. Till 7 there is no issue. When the sum goes beyond 7, then we have to convert into an octal number this way by dividing and getting the remainder as well as the quotient. Okay, so now coming to this number, 4 plus 3 is 7, so that is not a problem, and 6 plus 3 is 9. There is no 9 in the octal number. So again we have to convert this. Okay, here 9 and this is 8. Actually 8 ones are 8, remainder is 1. So remainder you have to put over here and take this quotient over here. Okay, so again this is 5 plus 4 9, 9 plus 1 is 10. So there is no 10 in the octal number. Divided by 8, so 8 ones are 8 and the remainder is 2. So remainder you have to write over here, and this you have to go get into the next one, which is the carry. So now you have to, this 0 is here, so you have to just put the carry. So this is the answer for 12175 to the 1121 to the 12175.536 to the base 8. So this is the answer for this octal number addition. So just I repeat the steps in short. Convert all the number into the base of the answer. Since we know we can group this binary numbers into 3 in groups of 3 to make the octal number, just dividing into from the LSB towards this side and to the here right side. So you have to group in 3s and you have to convert this value from this table over here. Otherwise, if it is by heart, it is very easy to follow, and then convert this hexagon number into, for each number you give 4 numbers each, and then 4 numbers for each number, 4 binary number for each hexagon number, and then you fill this all this value, and towards for this number go from towards the rightward direction and first convert into a binary option. After that you have to group into 3s as we did in this octal conversion. So group from LSB towards the left side, group in 3s and then convert into an octal number using this table. Okay, only till this only the table will work out for this octal number, because there is no 8 in octal number, only it is actually between 0 and 7. This is between 0 and 7. Okay, so now coming to this, so we have converted the addend and the augend to the base of this 8. So this is converted to 8, and this both numbers are converted to 8 base. So while adding this number, be careful about when the sum is exceeding 8, we have to convert into the octal number by using this division method. So just we have added the numbers, and this is the answer we have found. So hope it is easy to follow how to make these type of conversions given in the net answers, net questions, and the thing is that we have to be fast enough to answer the questions. That is more important. Okay, so we will also see the next part of this same question, which is the other one. We have to do the next question. The next question is actually adding the two numbers, finding the base of the numbers. Actually this is 42 to the base 9 is equal to, the question asked is x3 and to the base y. So here whenever this particular type of question is asked, we have to first multiply these numbers with the powers of this base, then we have to equate the things. So how to make the equation? Generally whatever the thing may be, actually this is actually 4 into 9 power 1, because the power goes from 0, powers of 0 and 1. So here actually 9 power 0. So here this number is actually 2 into 9 power 0. So 2 into 9 power 0 and then 4 into 9 power 1, which is equal to x into y power 1, because this is y and this is y power 0, this is y power 1. This is 9 power 0, this is 9 power 1, because the base is here 9, here the base is here y. So this is actually x into y power 1 plus 3 into y power 0. So we all know that anything to the power is equal to anything to the power 0 is equal to 1. So what here the answer is actually 4 9s are 36 plus 2, which 2 into 1 is 2, which is equal to x into y plus 3. Here also this is equal to 1. So this is actually 3. So now the answer we have got is 38 is equal to xy plus 3, which implies xy is equal to 38 minus 3 is equal to 35. So now what should be our thing is that the product of this x and y should be 45. In the question it is given as x is less than y. Okay. So now we have to find out the product xy is equal to 35. What are all the possible products for xy 35 is actually 1 35s are 35, and then 35 1s are 35, and then 7 5s are 35, and then 5 7s are 35. And the question here, the condition given here is x is less than 5. So this is actually x and the y value. Okay. So when you say x and the y, x is less than y, this possibility is not this possibility is not available. So this is the wrong case. And then because here x is greater and this is also 35 is greater than 1, this is also not the possible case. Okay. So only the possible case is actually this value and this value. So here there are two possible values. X may be either 1 comma 35 or x may be actually 5 comma 7. So there are two possible values, the values of x and y can get. So this is the answer, how to convert any given base, whatever the base may be, we have to multiply the base by the powers starting from the left, the powers of 0, 1, 2 etc. towards this direction, and we have to make the sum as we do in the normal operations. Okay. So this is how to find out the values, and now here you can see that x and y value can be given. So x may be either 1, if x is 1 then y is 35, if x is 5 then y is 7. So that's all. This is how to solve the problem. Hope if these types of problem is asked, hope it will be easy to follow and solve the answers of this type, and thanks for watching.